If you want to quickly insert the author name in LibreOffice Writer, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you the exact steps to add the author name into your document using LibreOffice, so you can place it wherever you need it in just a few clicks. This is a simple but useful feature, especially when you want to add document metadata, create professional templates, or insert the author name into a report without typing it manually every time. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides. Now let's get started. First, open LibreOffice on your computer. Once the Start Center loads, look at the left side under Create and click Write a Document if you want to start a new file. If you already have a document open, you can use that instead. This works in both a new document and an existing one, so choose whichever option fits your project. Next, click inside your document and place the cursor exactly where you want the author name to appear. This is important because LibreOffice will insert the field at the cursor position, so make sure you click in the right spot before moving on. You can place it in the body of the document, in a header, footer, or anywhere else you need the author name to show up. Now go up to the top menu and click Insert. This menu contains different options for adding elements into your document, including fields, special characters, images, and more. After clicking Insert, move your mouse down to Field. This opens the field options, which are very useful for adding dynamic information into your file. From the Field menu, click Author. As soon as you do that, LibreOffice Writer will insert the document author name at your cursor position automatically. If your user profile is set correctly, the name will appear right away in the document. This is a great way to insert author information without manually typing it, and it also helps keep your documents consistent. If you want to verify that the author name is correct, you can check your LibreOffice user details or document properties depending on how your system is configured. The author field typically pulls from your saved user information, so if the wrong name appears, you may need to update your personal data in LibreOffice settings first. And that's it. You've successfully inserted the author name in LibreOffice Writer. It only takes a few seconds once you know where to click, and now you can use this technique anytime you need to add author information to your documents. If this video helped you, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more quick LibreOffice tutorials and simple productivity tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.